crazy here, Chris. Real crazy.
Hey guys.
And just how crazy is it, Pete? All sorts of chaos and bedlam happening left.
I'm sorry I haven't made a video in like 5 months. It's just I haven't had batteries. There's no batteries in the house, and my camera died. So yeah, I'm gonna make another sneezing video for you now and upload it tonight maybe. And yeah, um, here it goes. I have my sneeze inducer, and I'll be getting some tissues in a second. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, that's all for today, folks. I'll make another one.